Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So we are here again for another session of Microsoft Excel, in which we are going to learn about few more features which Excel provides to its users. Okay, so in the last video that I published in this channel, I've explained about this file option and what are the different tabs or what are the different features this file option will provide to its users, that is home, new, open, save as, print, share, export, and etc. So if you guys would like to go ahead and check that video again, like it's already there in my channel, plus I'll be sharing the link on this video as well, so that like with one click you can navigate or get routed to that particular video. And if you guys could please share it to any of your known ones, that will be really helpful. So before I start or before I proceed any further, first of all I would like to really thank each and everyone who has supported in terms of making this channel grow. And like the statistics, like they're giving me a different story altogether, like something which I expected. I think what I got, like it's beyond my expectations. So I have only two words to say for this, that is thank you, and that applies to each and everyone who has supported this channel in the last few days. So I hope that will continue growing further. So without taking any more of your time, I would like to start off with today's topic, in which we're going to understand Excel a little more. So what is Excel? Like, and why is it used for, or why is it used for? So let's say, for example, back in the day when we didn't have much access to PC, or when PC was a taboo thing back in the day. So we used to store each and every data in a notepad, or in a notebook, I would say. But yes, the storage of data, that was happening there as well, and it happens in Excel as well. But how, like, what are the benefits when it comes to storing data in Excel, and what are the risks involved in, like, when it comes to storing data in a notebook, like as an old methodology which was used back in the day? So like, let's say for example, if you're storing any data in a notebook, like it might get stolen, or it might the notebook might get damaged, or we might lose, or that might get lost as well. That means eventually we are losing the data. Whereas in Excel, it allows us not only to store the data, but it allows us to organize, calculate, analyze, and visualize the data through the different features which Excel provides to its users. Okay, so this is just a brief introduction about Excel, and we are gonna like invest more time in terms of understanding, like the benefits that Excel provides to its users. So to start off with, like as I said, data. So the data is stored in these cells. Okay, so whatever you can see, like this, these are cells. Okay. But before understanding cell, we should understand how a cell is created. Okay, so in Excel, the horizontal set of cells, if you can see my cursor, like I'm hovering towards the right side of the screen, these are known as rows, and these rows are starting from row number 1, and it goes till the last row, that is 10,48,576. Okay, so the row ranges from row 1 till 10,48,576. So this was about rows. Now we are going to talk about the other aspect, or the other feature of Excel, or a different cell type of Excel, I would say. Sorry. So if you can see, these are known as columns, which are vertical set of cells, and these columns range from column A. Now in row, it's in numerological order, whereas in columns it's in alphabetical order. I hope you guys are able to see the screen and understand what I'm trying to explain over here. So as I said, like the columns are in alphabetical order and it starts from A, and it's not limited only to Z, it goes beyond that. So the last column that you'll have, it's XFT. Okay, so I hope until here you guys have understood what is row and what is a column. So rows are horizontal set of cells, whereas columns are vertical set of cells. But do you know what happens when a row and a column intersect? So when a row, let's say for example this is a row that I've selected and this is a column that I've selected. So can you see that this particular rectangular box is getting highlighted more when compared to the other ones? So this is the intersection point and this is known as cell. So it's not necessary like wherever the intersection is happening, basis the selection of cells, basis the selection, that is only considered as cell. An Excel workbook is full of cells only. Okay, so this was about cells. All right. So I hope like this information which I have shared in this video was helpful for each and every one of you who is watching this video. But if there's any suggestions when it comes to improving the content that we are posting in this channel, like, you guys are always welcome. Alright, so thanks to everyone who has seen this video, but I would really appreciate if you guys can like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel, and ask your known ones to do the same. Like, that will actually help us to grow as a channel or as a community. Okay. Alright guys, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.